Did you know you can run an e-commerce business without a website? Yes, you can sell products or services for free using nothing but an online form. Yes, no website, no social media profile. Look at this form. I have created this using jotform. You can see that it says business template order form because my product is business templates, Excel templates, Google Sheet templates, PowerPoint templates. Here I have two Excel templates and one Google Sheet template. So I have listed my products here. Anybody who opens this form can click on the checkbox and can order products, either one product, like you could see the price is updated. If they want to order more than one, the price gets updated. Then we have the regular fields, name, email, phone number, billing address. If you're shipping products, these are downloadable products, which I will send them on email. But if you have to ship product, you can ask for a shipping address as well, or add a checkbox that the billing address and the shipping address are the same. And then you could even collect payments. So here I have used PayPal, but there are other integrations as well. And this is completely customizable. I'm using a free plan of Jotform that allows up to 100 free submissions per month, and so can you. This is a no cost way to get started with your e-commerce business or to run a side gig. This is the admin panel where I can go ahead and I can customize my form. What you see is the user view. This is what they see when they open the link. And this is my admin panel where I can go ahead and I can customize the form. So I can go ahead and I can add more products. So I can add more products. So if I click on the product list, you can see I have added 3 products. I can go ahead and I can add another product. Then I could add coupons, I could add tax. Here is an invoice setting. So how does the invoice look? And then I can go ahead and I can add elements. So here you have all the elements. So you could remove what you don't want. You could add what is relevant. Here you have the payment options. So I'm using PayPal. You could use whichever payment service you have an account with. PayPal works really great. So it's easily customizable. Now, if you go ahead and you could see, you can create a form right from scratch, or you could go ahead and choose from one of the many e-commerce templates. So to create, you can just click on create, or you could go ahead and click on templates, click on form templates, and there will be e-commerce templates here. So you could see there are order forms. So t-shirt order forms, bakery order forms, cake order forms, product order forms, apparel order forms. So let's say if you're doing custom t-shirt printing, you could choose one that is already designed. Choose the template. Here's the preview. Let's click on the preview. It's just loading. It says women's comp order form template. So gear up for competition with confidence. You could replace these with your products. You could choose the fields that you want, or you could add your own fields. So you could create a form either from scratch or from one of the many templates. Share this form link with your network. That's easily shareable. This is the link. You could go ahead and share this. The link for this form, which I'm using, is in the video description. Go ahead, click it, and you could check the form for yourself. So share the form link with your network using email, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Add it to your email signature and your profile links. It's simple and easy to create and share. The free plan allows up to 100 submissions per month, and there are affordable plans when your business scales. So this is a great approach to start your e-commerce business and test your idea. So you build a customer base and then upgrade to an e-commerce website when you have to scale your business. So go ahead, give it a try. If you have any questions, please mention in the comments. Thank you.